Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The first book of Chronicles, chapter 2, verses 1 to 55:1. These are the sons of Israel: Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Issachar, Zebulun, 2 Dan, Joseph, Benjamin, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher. 3. The sons of Judah: Onan, and Shelah, which 3 were born to him of Shua's daughter, the Canaanitess. Judah's firstborn, was wicked in the Lord's sight, and he killed him. 4. Tamar, his daughter-in-law, bore him Perez and Zerah. All the sons of Judah were 5. 5 the sons of Perez: Hezron and Hamul. 6 the sons of Zerah: Zimri, Ethan, Heman, Calcol, and Dara, 5 of them in all. 7 the son of Carmi: Achor, the troubler of Israel, who committed a trespass in the devoted thing. 8 the son of Ethan: Azariah. 9 the sons also of Hezron, who were born to him: Jerahmeel, Ram, and Cholibai. 10 Ram became the father of Amminadab, and Amminadab became the father of Nahshon, prince of the children of Judah. 11 and Nahshon became the father of Salma, and Salma became the father of Boaz. 12 and Boaz became the father of Obed, and Obed became the father of Jesse. 13 and Jesse became the father of his firstborn Eliab, Abinadab the second, Shemaiah the third, 14 Nethanel the fourth, Radai the fifth, 15 Ozem the sixth, and David the seventh. 16 and their sisters were Zeruiah and Abigail. The sons of Zeruiah: Abishai, Joab, and Asahel, 3. 17 Abigail bore Amasa, and the father of Amasa was Jether the Ishmaelite. 18 Caleb the son of Hezron became the father of children by Azubah his wife, and by Jerioth, and these were her sons: Jesher, Shobab, and Arden. 19 Azubah died, and Caleb married Ephrath, who bore him Hur. 20 Hur became the father of Uri, and Uri became the father of Bezalel. 21 Afterward Hezron went in to the daughter of Machir, the father of Gilead, whom he took as wife when he was 60 years old, and she bore him Segub. 22 Segub became the father of Jair, who had 23 cities in the land of Gilead. 23 Gesher, and Aram took the towns of Jair from them, with Kenneth and its villages, even 60 cities. All these were the sons of Machir, the father of Gilead. 24 After Hezron died in Caleb Ephratah, Abijah, Hezron's wife, bore him Ashur, the father of Tekoa. 25 The sons of Jerahmeel, the firstborn of Hezron, were Ram the firstborn, Bunah, Oren, Ozem, and Ahijah. 26 Jerahmeel had another wife, whose name was Adarah. She was the mother of Onam. 27 The sons of Ram, the firstborn of Jerahmeel, were Maz, Jamin, and Eker. 28 The sons of Onam were Shammai and Jada. The sons of Shammai: Nadab and Abishur. 29 The name of the wife of Abishur was Abihail, and she bore him Aban and Molid. 30 The sons of Nadab: Seld and Apaim, but Seld died without children. 31 The son of Apaim: Ishi. The son of Ishi: Shishan. The son of Shishon: Eli. 32 The sons of Jada, the brother of Shammai: Jether and Jonathan. And Jether died without children. 33 The sons of Jonathan: Peleth and Zaza. These were the sons of Jerahmeel. 34 Now Shishan had no sons, but only daughters. Shishan had a servant, an Egyptian, whose name was Jarha. 35 Shishan gave his daughter to Jarha, his servant, as wife, and she bore him Attai. 36 Attai became the father of Nathan, and Nathan became the father of Zabad. 37 and Zabad became the father of Ephlah, and Ephlah became the father of Obed. 38 and Obed became the father of Jehu, and Jehu became the father of Azariah. 39 and Azariah became the father of Helez. And Helez became the father of Elissa. 40. And Elissa became the father of Sismai. And Sismai became the father of Shallum. 41. And Shallum became the father of Jechemiah. And Jechemiah became the father of Elishama. 42. The sons of Caleb, the brother of Jerahmeel, were Mesha, his firstborn, who was the father of Ziph, and the sons of Maresha, the father of Hebron. 43. The sons of Hebron, Korah, Tapua, Rechem, and Shema. 44. Shema became the father of Raham, the father of Jorkim. And Rechem became the father of Shemai. 45. The son of Shemai was Maon. And Maon was the father of Bethzu. 46. Ephah, Caleb's concubine, or Haran, Moza, and Gazez. And Haran became the father of Gazez. 47. The sons of Jahdai, Regem, Jothan, Jishon, Pelet, Ephah, and Shaph. 48. Maasach, Caleb's concubine, bore Sheber and Turhana. 49. She bore also Shaph the father of Madmannah, Sheva the father of Macbena, and the father of Gibeah. And the daughter of Caleb was Aksa. 50. These were the sons of Caleb, the son of Hur, the firstborn of Ephratah. Shobal the father of Kiriath Jearim. 51. Salma the father of Bethlehem, and Hariph the father of Beth Gader. 52. Shobal the father of Kiriath Jearim had sons, Haro, half of the Minuoth. 53. The families of Kiriath Jearim, the Ithrites, the Puthites, the Shumathites, and the Mishrates. From them came the Zorathites and the Eshtolites. 54. The sons of Salma, Bethlehem, the Netophathites, Atroth Beth Joab, and half of the Manahathites, the Zorites. 55. The families of scribes who lived at Jabez, the Tirathites, the Shemithites, and the Sakathites. These are the Kenites who came from Hamath, the father of the house of Rechem. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about the first book of Chronicles, Chapter 2, verses 1 to 55. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.